In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw your funds from Exness to Binance quickly and safely. Whether you want to convert your trading profits into crypto or simply move your funds to Binance, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the Exness dashboard, you have two options to access the withdraw option. Number one is go to the payments and wallets, click the withdrawal. Or hover on the top right corner, you can see your wallet or your balance, click the withdraw. Of course, what we need to do is click the Binance Pay. Now you need to choose the currency, which is USD, and the account that you wanted to withdraw your funds. In this case, I'm choosing the MT4. Of course, you want to make sure to put in the amount and you make sure that your balance has enough for you to withdraw. And then if you click the continue button, what will happen is it will ask for your Binance ID. So you need to go back to your Binance account and hover on the top right corner where you can see your profile icon. This is going to be your Binance ID. You need to copy that and go back to the Exness. Paste the Binance ID. Now make sure the network on Binance matches the network on Exness exactly. If the networks do not match, your funds may be lost. After confirmation, Exness will process the withdrawal. Crypto withdrawals are usually fast, but processing time can vary depending on the blockchain congestion, network confirmations, and of course, the selected crypto network. You can monitor the status from your Exness transaction history. Now, after doing that, head back to Binance and check the wallet you see on the top corner. Go to the transaction history because once the blockchain confirmations are completed, your funds should appear in your Binance wallet. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw from Exness to Binance. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.